running test with excluding test. Which is there are multiple tag we defined inside test cases. Tag you are going to be execute, that tag it will be execute. Which tag you don't want to execute, you have to mention the tag name. Okay, so here go back to VS Code. Here there are two test cases, correct? I'm just define the tag. Pipeline symbol, smoke. Okay, single double quotes, whatever it is. And I put regression. So I can put comma the end of this one. The same I'm going to be copy. I can put under this get started link second test. Here put comma. Okay, sorry. Here I'm going to be use get started something. Okay, so now we defined smoke tag in two test cases, correct? But I want to execute only one. I don't want to execute get started. So in this case, how we can define this one? npx playwright test -- grep. You can include the tag name, which tag you are going to be execute. Then you can mention again -- grep invert, which is exclude tag name. Enter npx playwright test -- grep. I'm going to be execute smoke grep invert. I'm going to be exclude get started. Fine. So just to confirm the syntax of this one, playwright test grep include tag name is smoke. I want to execute smoke tag, but I don't want to execute get started tag. Let's see how many cases will be execute. It will be execute only one. Press enter. 3 tests using 3 workers. I'm going to be show the report now. Hash title. Here you can see the hash title having smoke. This only one test case has executed in 3 different browser: Chrome, Firefox, WebKit, right? So here you can observe the get started is not executed. So this get started link second test having smoke tag, but we are excluding the tag using get started tag, right? So that's the reason only the smoke tag, it will be pick the hash title alone, it will be executed, which is one test cases. It executed 3 workers like 3 tests. That's the reason you can see the count is 3.